Well, it's a beautiful April evening. I can't think of a better thing to do than go for a gentle walk from Skelwith Bridge to Elterwater. On any ordinary day, this would end up with a nice pint at the Britannia, but being as this is not an ordinary time, we'll have to make do with getting there and then back again. But I've already seen a kingfisher, so it's not a bad day. Down there is Skelwith Force, living up to its name. Let's go and have a look. Ever so slightly unnerving because there's a lovely little stream and then all of a sudden very, very white water. You can come canyoning here in the good times, so yeah, well, be my guest. Quite an evening, and the hurdies in their fields, the sun glinting on the river Brathay. Langdale Pikes dead ahead. Another advantage to this path, or path if you prefer, is it's pretty accessible, so I think it shouldn't be too difficult for wheelchair users to access, and it's a beautiful, beautiful thing to do. Once you hit these stones, you know you're nearly there. Usually at about this point that the pace picks up a bit at the thought of a pint from above, and even though I know I'm not getting one, the residual memory that is driving me onwards. One day, hopefully soon. Ordinarily, this place would be heaving at the end of the day. Well, there you go. That's a walk from Skelwith Bridge to Elterwater, and this time, as there's nothing else to do, just turn around and go all the way back. There we go, that's the walk from Elterwater to the Skelwith Bridge. The last bit is through the wood, down by the River Brathay. But that's about it from me for today. Thank you very much for watching, if indeed you still are. If you've enjoyed this, do please like and subscribe, and join us for another walk in the lake sometime. Stay safe.